Okay, so our project for this week is to draw 3 large animals using contour and cross contour lines. You are going to do 3 of the same animal, but it needs to have different poses. So, for example, this one, the dog is looking straight at you, but its head is tilted. On this one, we see just the rear end of the dog. Um, and on this one, we see a huge spider in the middle and then 2 smaller ones on both sides. So that is what I want from your guys' drawings. I want the animals to be in different poses, and I want them to be different sizes as well. So if you want one really, really large, if you want one kind of medium size, one really small, that would be fine as long as it's still kind of filling your page. But that's what we're looking for this project. So I'm going to have you guys today look up images of animals on your laptop and then send them to me. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, so you're going to choose an animal that you want to draw. Any animal, it can be one that's easy for you. It can be one that might be challenging, but you really want to go for it. Maybe your favorite animal that you just like drawing anyways. So that is what you're going to pick. And you need to find 3 images to use as your reference. So you will be emailing me those 3 photos, and we will get that printed out for you to look at tomorrow so you can start the project. Again, 3 different images of all the same animal. All right, so that is what you're doing. Email it to me today during class. It is due right now during class. So go.